So, welcome to all the viewers to foodisfun.com Facebook page. I think echo হচ্ছে I think. Hello. Today we have a special guest with us, and he's from Dubai, and he is a pastry chef named Ashwini Kumar Pathadia. Welcome, Chef Ashwini, to our foodisfun.com Facebook page. Actually, this foodisfun.com is an app. It has also website also, and we have just launched our app, I think yesterday. You will get our app in Play Store, and we will do lots of topics on food items, especially in our app. So we need your support, and again, welcome to our show. Sir, can you know about you from how many years you were associated with this profession, and how you are enjoying in this pastry, specifically in this pastry area?
Nice to see you everybody over here, and it's nice to connect to Panchali Datta, who invited me to talk on something about the pastry which I am experienced and specialized from so many years. So presently I'm working with the Dubai Hyatt Hotels, which is almost I'm here in Dubai for the last 12 years. So I work with different brands, name as Rotana, Hilton, a lot of brands. I work with Radisson also. So it's quite long journey for me to start from my college till Dubai. So it's almost 15 years in the pastry culinary world. So that's why it took long and patience also, and have a passion also about to reach to this level, which is very tough journey, not easy. Looks very easy to see the making nice cakes and beautiful cakes, which looks interesting to everyone, but behind that there is a lot of hard work, which you will know and see exactly.
It's a hardcore science, I think, Chef. Am
Yeah,
I
of
right?
course, pastry and baking is almost
a little bit about it.
The science where you need to see ingredients, like to know about the ingredients and their chemical reaction to it. What's happening with the pastry and baking? Once you make anything, you need to know exactly the reactions over all the ingredients over there. Once you know already all the things, then you can achieve the best result in the, like, to get the success of your recipes in the end of the baking only. So it's all related to science. One step is missing from the recipes or method process, you will get hard time to fix it.
Therefore, many of us actually afraid of doing baking. अरे ठीक होगा ना, पूरा पूरा सही सही सब क्वांटिटी है ना, ज्यादा नहीं दे दिया, कम नहीं दे दिया, थोड़ा बेटर लग रहा है, थोड़ा पतला है, थोड़ा बेटर लग रहा है तो ठीक है. This comes in our mind actually.
In bakery that you cannot play around with the ingredients in the recipes. It has to be weighed. And for me, I will give you a tip, like if you want to do baking, a nice baking, and you know the perfect baking to get the right and desired result, you need to weigh the ingredients, not to measure by cup. The cup measurements always goes wrong. And if you start to weigh the ingredients right way, you will get the right result.
I'll ask a silly question.
Yeah.
I don't know. It comes always in my mind. What is pastry chef? Why is pastry chef? Or what is pastry chef? What is the zone?
Yeah, of course. This is if you tell to anyone, layman, he will not understand the things. People who are known about little bit about the hoteliers, and they know about the hotel chefs, so they know better than what is pastry chefs. Pastry chef is a title you get after so many years of experience and hard work, and it's one of the title in which who handle one of the pastry and bakery department, which is one of the most finest and the biggest section in the kitchen. And pastry chef normally is a title given to one of the person who handle all the kitchen in pastry and bakery. Under him, a lot of people are there, like baker chef there who bakes bread. There is a confectioner chef who makes candies. There are decorator chefs. There are commis chefs. So there is a hierarchy which under him follows. Like if it's small hotels, you have 6 to 8 people in one department. If it's bigger hotel or big establishment, you will get like 15 to 20 people under him also. So it depends. Like the pastry chef, he mostly make the cakes, dessert, pastries, breads, which need a lot of patience, a lot of creativity, and passion also to build that.
Puff is also included in this pastry chef.
What is that?
Patties. But
Of course,
patties, patties.
that's what I told. Like there's a section called bread section where you make the
Hmm.
sweets. There's a section called savory section also. So you do both part.
Tart is also there.
Of course,
Tart.
that's all breads. Yeah.
Yeah. Achha. So, to make a cake, what should be the basic point that we
That
have to keep
that's a
in
good
our mind?
question. That's a good question you ask. Like everybody say that just mix the ingredients, you get the right cake. No, it's not the way. Like you said, it's a science. So you need to start with proper method, process. If you miss any process there, you cannot come back and fix it. As I told you, it's a science. So every reaction, every process have a step which react on its time. So let's start from making a one cake. You need to have good recipes. You have to follow the recipe which have ingredients, and you cannot substitute the ingredients with other items. Like if you want, I have sugar, or let's I'll mix with the glucose, liquid glucose. I have a sugar, I will mix with the honey. I will substitute the items. You cannot do it. You have to follow the proper recipes, which gives you right result. After having the proper recipes and right ingredients for the recipes, you need to make sure that oven is of good brand. If it's microwave oven, it should have a combi oven also there with a temperature which reach to 180 to 100 degree is enough to bake the cake. So
Why
make sure that
180 to 200 degree? Why not 130 degree, 140 degree?
to get the proper volume in the cake, you need that kind of pressure to get like to air trapped inside to heat to start baking to give the chemical reaction as I told you. You need that kind of temperature to bake it at the right temperature. And
Achha.
after that, you need to preheat the oven. Then you start making your ingredients to scale well in the right portion. Doesn't have to be up and down. If it's 100 gram, it has to be 100 gram. You cannot make it 120 or 90 gram. After mixing the recipes, you start following the process of mixing the ingredients as written in the recipes. Over mixing also makes you failure of the recipe. Under mixing also give you bad result. So you need to think in each process that you cannot miss anything. After mixing the product, you need to start putting like line the cake tin. Cake tin has to be very precise also, not to be big, not too small, and you have to line very well. When you bake, after baking, it has come easily also, not to struggle with the cake to taking out. So you need to brush it nicely, the line the cake with the parchment paper or baking paper, what you call. After that, straight away as the mixture is ready, you need to start putting into the cake tin because if you waste your time on that process, it will start to like you will lose the weight volume of the cake, the volume or the texture which you expecting to become, it will not be there. So you need to be very careful on that. And when you adding that
Within
mixture to the
how many minutes? Within how many minutes we have to complete this process to pour
it,
the batter in the cake tin?
it takes 15 to 20 minutes process which you like whipping the eggs, mixing with the dry ingredients and all this, and within like the mixture is ready, you need to be go inside the oven within 5 minutes. You
Within
cannot make
5
it
minutes.
delay. Yeah.
Okay. If we do late, then it may the cake may spoil.
The volume will not be there. Might be the
The
your
volume
cake
will
cake
not be
will get flat. there's a lot of,
Okay.
like I said, the chemical reaction will start to affect you. So once it's
Okay.
there in the oven, then the next step is don't try to try to open the oven so many times, 100 times you keeping and checking, the cake is getting the volume, not getting the volume. Once the
Yeah.
cake is inside the oven, you cannot open it oven.
ये मेरे साथ हुआ था पहले बार मैंने जब
Yeah.
केक बनाई थी।
Yeah.
अरे
So
केक हो रहा है, थोड़ी देर बाद मेरी बेटी बोल रही है, मम्मी ज्यादा मत खोलो, मत खराब हो जाएगा।
yeah, it
So the
happens. Like
same thing you told.
people
It
try
was
to, yeah, people
yeah.
try to very excited to see the things how it's going up, but that's the main reason they forgot it, that once you open the door where it still
Yeah.
is baking, like first 20 minutes you cannot open the door of the oven. Once it get 80% baked, you can open and you can check the cake. Okay, still on the right way. So start baking it for like minimum 20 to 25 minutes, depend on the oven, depend on the cake tin you have put inside. Once the cake is ready, don't try to take out from the pan straight away. You need to check the cake in the oven itself only, just putting the small knife or small toothpick. If it comes clean, this cake is ready. Or you can check by texture of the cake also by tapping on top of the cake. If it's spongy, this cake is ready. Take out from the oven, let it be cool down in the cake tin only or in the wire rack to get the right volume to be there. And when it's cooled down, you start making syrup, cutting the cakes, soaking with the syrup, applying your frosting. If it's hot and you're trying to apply your frosting over there, it start to melt. It will not hold it. So better if you're in hurry, what you do, you take out from the oven, keep it for 10 minutes outside, put in the tray, keep inside the freezer or chiller to cool down faster. That's the way, you can take care of the things. That's why I said you need to be very precise on process also.
Thanks a
So
lot.
you get the
Acha,
right cake in the end of the day.
what's the difference between a sponge cake and a basic cake?
Okay, sponge cake normally contains three items only: flour, eggs, and sugar.
Yeah.
There's a three ingredients which is main. Then you can add on your things like essence in that, color in that, some cornstarch to get the volume to be stable,
Yeah.
still stable there. So that's a basic sponge where you get everything, but it
I
has the process.
use cornstarch for the volume.
Volume is
Suppose
just
one tablespoon corn flour. Is it right?
yeah, it's right to hold the texture there, but sometimes you think that my recipe will sink. To not to avoid that or to avoid that sinking of cake, some people they use cornstarch just to make it stable, so it doesn't waste their time. So same time the cake, what you asking me, people prefer to add that one just to get the volume there.
I will come on that question later. Chef, I will come on that question later. At first, just tell me about the sponge cake and basic cake.
Basic what?
Fruit cake, basic fruit cake and sponge cake. The difference.
Sponge cake, like what I said, you like sponge cake is normally 300. The butter, like fruit cake, what you said, is a dry cake. It's a butter cake which contains butter. It has a creaming method which use butter and sugar as a creaming method, and a volume for that cake will come from the creaming method only. Then you add the eggs, flour, essence. This is what give you volume. But the sponge cake, you will get the volume only from eggs and sugar only. That's the main ingredient where you get the volume from the stuffing and whipping the creams.
Okay. Acha. Now I will come to that question.
Yeah.
Regarding the cake gel. Should we use cake gel in veg cake? Matlab in without egg.
Yeah, you can nowadays, like before, it's not the, like let's say 10 years back, or 15 years back. It's not is there the things. So what they try to use, they avoid the eggs and they use substitute like milk or some yogurt, the milk powder, which is also right to use, but you don't get the right texture. So if you see the previous recipes of eggless,
Chef, one question: if I use dahi instead of egg in a cake, Then
Yeah.
shall I use cake gel also? Or
Yeah.
no need to use
You,
cake gel then?
as I said, like before the gel is there in the market, people
Hmm.
start to use condensed milk. They start to
Huh.
use milk as a substitute for eggs. They use as a milk powder. They use sometimes yogurt and half
Hmm.
milk as a substitute for the eggs, which is good
Hmm.
to use. You can get the cake texture, but the texture of the cake will be very dense, very heavier. It's not
Heavy.
that spongy.
Hmm.
So that's why when you use the cake gel instead of that
Hmm.
replacement of eggs, you get the texture a little bit more softer, more which is have a shelf life,
Okay.
more volume in that in the same cake, eggless. So you don't
Okay.
need to use eggs. You get without eggs also, same texture with the cake gel also. The only thing is keep in mind then when you start to whip the things like sugar, cake gel, and the water, you need to whip in a nice right texture consistency, which is like a ribbon consistency. You will get same like a egg white. So same consistency when it comes, you start to add the dry ingredients one by one, not all together, which will make your cakes again sink. So better you use step process each and every time to avoid this cake to be get collapse. That's
Okay.
the right way to get the cakes.
Okay. Okay. Many complaints that after whipping whipped cream, their
Yeah.
cream gradually melts. They can't decorate because of that for that melting. So, what should they take for that? जिसके लिए melt नहीं होगा. What are the tips
See,
you
as I told you, there is a lot of
suggest us?
frosting there
Hmm.
in the market, or you can make also at home the frosting, which you call cream icing, or you can
Hmm.
people say icing for the cake. As you
Hmm.
said, the whipping cream is getting melted. There is two
Hmm.
reasons to get it. Either it is
Hmm.
not whipped at the right consistency,
Hmm.
or the cake sponge is hot.
Hmm.
If
Okay.
the cake sponge is hot, you're warmer,
Hmm. Hmm.
it will start to melt the icing. Or the
Acha,
ice,
the two reasons are behind they are behind that melting. One is
yeah,
if the cake is hot, and another is if the beating is not done properly.
properly. Yeah, even the cake is warm, it will start to melt the icing. So better we keep the right consistency, right temperature of the sponge should be in the
Hmm.
chiller. Then you take out from the chiller. Then you start covering with the icing.
It's better.
Yeah,
Safe side. Huh.
like
Safe.
if you have the whipped cream, if you to avoid that one, you can use a different frosting also there, which
Hmm.
you apply to your cakes also. Like ganache is there. Ganache is
Hmm.
generally is a chocolate and cream
Hmm.
uh, recipes which use equal quantity of cream and chocolate, and you
Hmm.
use on your cakes. There is a
Hmm.
buttercream icing also there, where
Hmm.
there is a different kind of buttercream icings. So you
Hmm.
can choose from whatever is feel suitable to you. Like you said, I don't eat eggs, but when you
Hmm.
eat the icing, you'll not feel it eggs over there because there's a proper way of you doing it. There's a process there to avoid the egg smell. So with that, we have royal icing, which is normally used for wedding cakes and for decorating Christmas cookies. Normally it's a hard brittle icing, royal icing, which you get the decoration in the wedding cakes, pipings, and all this. Buttercream icing, you have normally five kind of buttercream icings, which is called American.
Hmm.
Then you have Italian or Swiss meringue, French buttercream, German cream icing, and decorator buttercream. Decorator buttercream icing is what you making normally flowers and all these things, which is
Hmm.
needs stability there. So you use
Hmm.
margarine there, margarine and sugar.
Okay.
Then there is a we call it American buttercream icing, which just
Hmm.
normally icing sugar and butter. You just mix with the paddle or mix with the hand blender to get fluffy texture. That's buttercream icing, which a little bit of essence. You can add eggs also, but not
Hmm.
necessary. It's optional there.
Okay.
The next is Swiss or Italian, where you cook the sugar and water uh, to a syrup consistency, hot temperature. Then
Hmm.
you pour this mixture to the egg white while running the machine. Then when you get the right consistency there, fluffy meringue consistency, you
Hmm.
start adding the soft butter into that after it gets cooled down. So you get the Italian or Swiss buttercream icing. Same with the French. You use the sugar and water, hot syrup on egg yolk, not the egg white. This is kind of
Okay.
richest buttercream icing. So
Acha.
then after you get the consistency same, you start to add the soft butter in the end when it get cooled down. So you get the French buttercream icing and beat till until get fluffy and lighter.
Right.
And the last one
Oh,
is America German buttercream icing where we use pastry cream with the butter. So you make pastry cream first, then you add the butter into it. So you get the German buttercream icing. So there is a
okay.
variation
Like,
there. But, at the home, I know it's for home people it's very difficult to understand. So just like butter and icing sugar, they can mix with the hand blender till it get
hand
the
blend.
fluff texture, and they can start using it. So you will get nice flavor there also, and flavor they can add over there also.
Acha. Okay,
There's
thank you.
endless
Acha, what?
endless
Huh,
colors and flavors there. You can add endless colors, flavors, rose water, vanilla essence, coffee to that buttercream icing. You get a lot of flavor there.
flavor there. Acha, the basic frosting, actually, generally we do the home bakers. Generally, we
Yeah,
use whipped cream and cream cheese. Basically,
yeah.
these two generally use. What are the others we can use, or these are the two ways the two ingredients only, or what are the other ingredients if there is?
Like what I said to you, buttercream icing I told you already. Like you said, whipped
Yeah.
cream is also possible,
Hmm,
but sometimes whipped cream is very difficult to handle it at home because temperature wise and the fat percentage in the cream. If
hmm,
your whipped cream is not
hmm,
containing 35% or above
hmm,
that fat percentage, you cannot
hmm,
use as a whipped cream.
hmm,
Once the volume go up, like say you buy any cream from the market
hmm,
which has fat percentage of 18, check that fat percentage, 18 percentage. It will whipped
hmm.
or might be it will not whipped, but it will go down as it whipped. It will be liquidy again after some time. So you need to make sure when you buy the whipped cream from the market, it has to be fat percentage of 35% or more to get the right consistency there. And the other one is cream cheese, as you said, which we use for carrot cake or the red velvet cake.
Hmm.
So you use the cream cheese with the cream and little bit of lemon juice and icing sugar. So you start
Acha.
mixing with the
Lemon juice
machine
with little bit of lemon juice and icing sugar.
and sugar, cream cheese. So
Okay.
this is what you
And
call
then we
cream
have to
cheese.
whip. Hmm, hmm.
Yeah, not whipped. You just mix it all together with the
That's
paddle machine.
that.
Yeah, yeah,
Huh.
it will be ready because that's a
Huh.
very common icing you can use. But you need to add lemon juice into it and touch of salt to give you different taste in the icing.
As we are talking regarding cream cheese, I like just cream cheesecake. These are, oh, I
That's
love these
if you
so much.
if you know
Yeah.
carrot cake, try to make carrot cake at home, which is very easy.
Okay.
Just mix all the ingredients together, all
Huh.
the ingredients just mix together and put in the pan,
Hmm,
bake it, take
hmm,
out and make cream cheese frosting and apply on
hmm.
top of that. You will love the cake.
Please share that recipe with us.
Sure,
Please.
sure. I will share that recipe.
After the interview, please you will share the recipe and I will post it in my in our
No
Foodies Fun
worries.
page.
Will that.
Acha,
Sure, sure.
as we are talking related to cream cheese, I want to know the application of gelatin. This is a very
Ah,
essential part. And gelatin sometimes बहुत गड़बड़ कर देता है. तो
of course. That's very true. Gelatin, like mostly people when they eat pastries, they think okay, gelatin is a vegetarian thing. But just for the knowledge for everybody, gelatin is not a vegetarian option.
particles
It's a
from the
non-vegetarian
animals
option.
bone
Gelatin comes from the bones or
bones.
skins when it's
Hmm.
boiled to a certain level. You get the from bone marrow. So that's what you call boiling substance, sticky substance come out from that bone and skin. You get the gelatin. So gelatin is a non-vegetarian option which is used for setting the pastries to get right structure and you enjoy it. But for the vegetarian option, I will give you option like we call it agar agar,
Hmm.
which is seaweed. You get from seaweed under the sea. There is a seaweed you get from there, and it's a option for vegetarian people. But you don't get the right consistency same as a gelatin because the agar agar is more stronger than gelatin. I will say. Like to get set of 1 liter of liquid, you need 8 gram of gelatin.
Acha,
But to set
for 1 liter, 8 gram
agar-agar,
gelatin.
no agar-agar.
Agar
To
agar.
set one,
Acha,
yeah,
8 gram agar agar.
yeah, and same 1 liter of liquid to set, you need like 20 gram of, or let's say 15 to 20 gram of gelatin,
Gelatin.
depend on the liquid.
Liquid.
So you see the variation, agar-agar is more stronger.
Agar agar more stronger than gelatin.
Yeah, see 1 liter of liquid, it takes 8 grams of agar-agar
8 gram,
to set.
only 8 gram.
8 grams. And to set any liquid, it takes 1 liter, only 15 grams for a normal liquid. 20 grams, why I said 20 grams? Because the citric acid is not matching with the gelatin. So you to set the citric, like lemon juice, or let's say orange juice, to make jelly of that lemon orange.
मैंने कभी कभी देखा है कि जो जिलेटिन होता है कभी कभी ठीक से सेट नहीं होता है. What is the reason for that?
That's what I'm telling you. Like if it's citrus is there, citrus, lemon juice or orange juice, pineapple juice, it takes more gelatin, because gelatin it not reacting very well with them.
Okay.
So to avoid that, you need to increase the gelatin ratio in that liquid part. So let's say 1 liter, you take 15 gram of gelatin, it will set other liquids. But to set the citrus liquid, you need to take 20 gram.
25 gram.
20 gram. So
20
increase
gram.
more. Yeah.
Okay.
That's how it play with the things that I told you. Like it's a science. You need to see and you need to know your ingredients very well, how it react and where it's going to be react.
And how many days? How many days we can store gelatin?
Gelatin comes in the form of powder, granules, and sheet, which has a shelf
if we buy it in powder form,
it has a shelf life of 1 year, so don't need to worry on that. Yeah,
agar
also coming
in the fridge.
Yeah, you can keep in the normal room temperature. No need to keep in the fridge.
Normal room temperature. No need to keep it in the fridge.
Yeah. For gelatin, you just normally start with the cold water. You soak in the cold water, then you microwave it or heat it. Then you mix with the cream or whatever liquid, it will set. But
after soaking it, we can also can we do it in double boiler also? Just
yeah, you can do it also double boiler. You can heat it directly also. You can do it microwave also, and then you use in the cold mixture to add it. You can add to the warm mixture also, and then you can keep it outside. It will set. But for the agar-agar, it is a different process. You need to boil the liquid, add the powder to it, and let it be set. It will set like that. So agar-agar has a different application only with the boiling. Gelatin, it goes the cold water or can add to the warm liquid also. It can be set.
Yeah, the method is totally different from one another.
Yes. Like it's stated, like you need to be study all the reactions method to each other.
We can boil agar-agar in our in any liquid whatever
anything, like you want to make mango jelly, just take mango puree and water a little bit, boil the mango puree, add the agar-agar, your dish is ready to make a jelly. Now to make the mango jelly with the gelatin, you need to soak the gelatin in the cold water. Then you need to melt in the microwave. Then you have to add to the liquid. There's a process a little bit different.
Yeah. And after that, we generally never boil.
Yeah, we never boil that.
Just mix with a spoon or whisk, and then we keep it for setting.
Yeah, before setting, and then you keep in the chiller, and this one room temperature, it will set very fast.
Achha, chef, please share your experience with us related to your career, your
I started my career in 2005 after studying from hotel management from Chandigarh. So over there, I worked for one of the group which is called Anand and the Himalayas. I worked for 3 years for that group with the pre-opening of the hotel in Bangalore. After that, I moved to Dubai. I worked for Rotana pre-opening hotel also. And during this stay of 12 years in Dubai, I participated in a lot of competitions where I win a lot of awards also for that. And the latest was I participate in World Chocolate Master, which is happen in the world level, and it happens 3 years in a time. So you get selected only 21 countries. So out of that, I was selected there and won best pastry award, best top three shoppies, chocolate shoppies. So it was a big achievement for, and hopefully this coming year also I'm going for that competition. Um, India is not participating in that, but we have the opportunity to participate from Middle East. From out of Middle East of 18 to 20 countries, they are choosing only 8 chefs. So I'm one of them. So going
Okay.
to show UAE as a representative. So let's see what will happen in the coming competition. So hopefully it will be good. That's it.
Acha. Please continue. Hmm.
Yeah, that's it. And working here in Dubai, I learned a lot. You know, there's a lot of competition there, and the market is huge. You get a lot of learning
Huge.
from here. You get the
Uh,
new things, whatever is new in the world, you will get first in Dubai. So it's a lot of learning here for the new generation or something. So it's my advice to people like who want to grow their career, they have to visit or they have to do their career experience one time in a UAE or Middle East to get the experience.
अच्छा ऐसे मतलब आपके साथ बात करते करते मेरे दिमाग में ऐसा है काया, ऐसा
Hmm.
कभी आपके साथ हुआ है कि कभी आप कुछ मतलब आप कुछ बनाना चाहते थे लेकिन ये पूरा बिगड़ गया, ऐसा कभी एक्सपीरियंस हुआ है? और मतलब आपको एक एम्बैरेसिंग सिचुएशन में आना पड़ा कि
No, see, this is as I said, you it's a reactions, you know, process. Pastry once is done, you cannot fix it after it's baked out and come as a result. So once was what happened with other kitchens, gravy is missing salt, you can add. Gravy is missing some spices, you can add still there. If cake is missing sugar, you cannot add after that. So that
यस
process was missing there. So
इस
it happens.
हाँ
It happens one time. What happened exactly? We start to make the cake, and the my chef, who's a junior chef, he was in hurry, so he forgot to add the sugar into that. So this
हम्म,
generally happen. What happened? We bake the cake. You don't get the right texture. You don't get the right volume to the cake. But
so
when
what
you
you
see,
do then?
so
Just
what
throw
you
all
do
the
no, no, no. We don't throw that. That's what you call the pastry is a art. You know, it's a creativity,
हाँ
it's patience. You cannot
हाँ
be anger on that. What happened in that
हाँ
scenario? So what we
हाँ हाँ
did, we baked the cake fully. We know that color is not there. So
हम्म,
it was, I think, the caramel cake was there, but he forgot to add the sugar there.
हम्म,
So when we take out the cake, we see the volume is not there. We cut
हम्म,
into the cake cubes. We dry it again. We
हम्म,
try to put in the more like we make trifle, no? So we make the custard, then we make the layer of caramel sauce, banana, all to put together. We make a mix of hot dessert.
okay
The guest will not
okay
see it's a pudding or a cake, but generally the pudding is very sticky, very
हाँ
dense. So the
हाँ
guest will not feel is cake baked or not
हाँ
baked. So we utilize
great
like that.
okay these are the
Yeah,
tactices
yeah,
और
it
जो नया
happens sometimes. But generally the new people who join this, but we avoid that to be not to happen again and again because that's why we have
again
team of big people, supervisor who controlling the people, what they're doing, how they're doing process wise. Because once it's done, you cannot rectify anything. So you need to be very careful on the pastry because you something went wrong, you waste a lot of items also. Butter, cream,
how
sugar, you waste your time also.
how do you invent these items generally? कैसे आपको
Like
दिमाग में आता है कि इसके साथ इसके मिला के ये हो सकता है ये how you think?
that's what that's what we call the experience. You work with different chefs. Like me, I
Hmm,
work with different nationality chefs, French chef, German chef. I work with
hmm,
Middle East chef, a lot of Malaysian chef. I work Indonesian chef. So all you get the experience from this all the chefs. So what happened? You work with these people and then start to grasp the ideas, what they're doing, how they're mixing the things, and you have the knowledge background of the same thing.
hmm,
You, with the air of experience, you start to build the taste also inside you. So now what happened, if I have to build some new recipes, I start to mix the things and I'm tasting by myself. Okay, it can be good, it can be bad. So I'm giving the same recipe for tasting to other my staff also, my assistant also. So
Hmm.
I get the comment from them. If it's nice, we start to build it more nice way, and then we present to the guests.
Yeah.
This is how we like
And
every
then
day we
then
do
you
some
wait,
experimenting, exciting new
and then
recipes we are developing.
uh, uh,
Yeah,
if you get the good food feedback, then you continue
yeah.
with that thing. Okay.
Of course, yeah. We always, if you see in our normally you will see in the buffet counter, we have one or
Hmm.
two recipes which is always have a new touch on that, new creation there.
Huh, huh,
Why? To
huh,
get the team also motivated, to get the new
huh.
things to the work also, not to have a same menus and same preparation every day. So to get
Huh.
motivated team also, we need to add some items. So we get
Yes.
new recipes from different world. We start to use, we start to experiment and see the things different way.
This is also necessary. Yeah.
Yeah, of course, that's
And आपने जो बोले हैं ना, ये जो पूरा एक साइंस है, एग्जैक्ट प्रोपोर्शन, एग्जैक्ट टेम्परेचर, एंड देखिए,
yeah.
इसीलिए देखिए, मतलब पूरे आई आई थिंक पूरे विश्व में, या मैं बोल सकती हूँ इंडिया एंड बांग्लादेश में बेकिंग को लेके अभी इतना जो एक शोरगुल मच रहा है, आपने यू
Okay.
नो इट वेरी वेल है. So what will you say about this, about the homemakers? They are trying to do so much things,
Yeah.
and they are also learning, they are learning professionally. What will you say?
Mhm. As I see also like during the COVID period, everybody want to become chef now, and
Hmm.
everybody love to make the cakes, which is looks very interesting. But sometimes they try their hard to get the right result, but they don't get it. But it's very, it's I see like now, especially the ladies, girls, they love to make this at home. They try their, some of them they try to sell also from their home also now. They start to use their small business, and they are getting more into it. They're getting more of trainings. I see a lot of people getting online trainings, some classes from the colleges, small workshop, which is good also. And people are getting more into Western culture also. I see it's like it's good for them to learn new
Hmm.
things. Good for them also to get, because it's give opportunity for the people to learn something new, and give opportunity to a lot of people to open their business and to give job opportunity to the people also, which is helpful to the society also in how somehow.
Yeah. So thank you, chef. आपको बहुत परेशान किया, बहुत क्वेश्चंस किए.
No, no. Thank you very much for inviting.
You
And
must be angry with me. पांचाली ने मुझे इतना परेशान करके रख दिया. Is
no,
it?
no. It's very good to give me time also to have a words
मुझे
with you.
बहुत
And
अच्छा लगता है ये सब जानने में. मैं करती हूँ फिर भी मुझे अच्छा लगता है. मतलब मैं घर में भी बहुत एक्सपेरिमेंट करती हूँ, वो सब फिर भी मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है, और अच्छा लगता है जब प्रोफेशनल कोई शेफ से ये सब हम लोग जान पाए.
it's very nice to talk
इसका
to you
तो
also.
अलग
Like
ही एक
people,
टच होता है. हाँ.
yeah, it's exciting and it's interesting to share also the experience with the people who want to know more about the pastry and bakery. It's really nice.
Thank you, Sharupa.
Yeah.
Thank you, Sharupa.
Thank
Sharupa
you, Shorukma,
inviting,
Datta
getting
Sarkar.
positive vibes from both of you. Thank you, Sharupa.
Thank you very
এবং
much.
আমার মনে হয় স্বরূপা, তুমি অনেক টিপস জানতে পেরেছো ফ্রম দ্যাট কনভারসেশন. অশ্বিনী যেভাবে, মিস্টার অশ্বিনী যেভাবে শেয়ার করেছেন, তুমি অনেক টিপসও জানতে পারবে. আই এম শিওর অ্যাবাউট দ্যাট. আর
Okay.
থ্যাংক ইউ,
Thank you
আর
very much
we
for
want that
inviting me.
recipe. We want that recipe from you. Please share that
Sure, sure,
recipe
sure.
with
I
me.
will share that recipe with you, the carrot cake
And
recipe. So
when
you'll try it. Let me know.
will you come to Kolkata? Is there any chance?
Yeah, I studied in Kolkata in very small age. I think in the year of
Okay,
92, 93. So
okay.
I love to come back and see the place there again, how it will be there. Now the changes there.
Yeah, definitely. Please come to Kolkata. और हम लोग एक वर्कशॉप भी करेंगे सब मिल के.
Very good.
and you will
Yeah.
and you will teach us. About
That's my, pleasure to be there.
about the techniques, how a cake can be better.
That's my
You-
pleasure to be there. Okay.
Please make a plan.
Yeah, of course. Let me know in advance, so I'll make a plan accordingly.
Definitely, definitely.
Okay.
Thank you, Chef.
Anyway,
Thanks a
thank you
lot.
for inviting me and take your time for this. It's
Thank
really
you.
interesting
And
to see and nice to see you, all of you here.
बहुत अच्छा लगा और आपने भी इतने टाइम दिए हम लोगों के साथ. Thanks and wish you best of luck
Thank you very much.
for your career. Thank you. Thanks a
Thank you.
lot. Bye.
Bye.